Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'm fine.
Any question of it?
Yes, so.
Oh yeah.
If you're given 50 million naira to leave Nigeria and never to return back, would you do it?
We may do it. Change the wine we may do it. Be like say Madagri coconut break for your head. How much you call that?
50 million naira cash.
It's too much. Oh no, just give me 50,000.
God forbid.
I feel no come Africa again. Make you come spoil everything. Make just put only 5,000 on top that 50,000. Make come 55,000. I thought God, I feel no come this life again.
I hear me,
I will just call it the Gabriel in heaven. I know. I dey come heaven to help me arrange myself contain. I dey come do vacation because we go say what? A safe nation is a home with no self assurance.